guys, we're going to be cruising along the beach road all the way up to Moorabbin, and from Moorabbin I think we'll be heading towards maybe southeastern suburbs. There's a bit of traffic. We're going to take the Kingsway exit. Looks like there's a bit of traffic. The weather's nice. What time is it? Sunday, I think, yeah, around 11:30 AM. Where's this guy going? Hang on. Maybe change your plan. The sun was out a little bit just a while ago, now it's gone down, but it's not that cold. Mercedes on the right. Mercedes South Bank. Surprisingly, for a Sunday, there's a lot of traffic on the roads. Going straight, yeah. Right, mate. BMW Mini Melbourne. the weather's looking really good. As long as it doesn't rain, we're doing okay. We were waiting for a few other riders, but they didn't end up coming. So we had some coffee at the shopping centre and we left. Yeah, I really wanted to go past the cafe race in Moorabbin, so that's where we're going now. There's like there should be like hundreds of motorbikes there, so I'll try to do a little bit of footage and see if I can talk to some of the owners. Because sometimes this lane is like blocked, meaning that you can't cross, but it looks like today it's open. So you'll see like an X there. Queens Road. Golf course on the right. We got Melbourne Park Lake just here. It's a beautiful place. I'm thinking of actually doing another video just around Melbourne Park Lake. It's just a beautiful place. Lakeside Drive. Every year they have a GP on, the Melbourne F1 GP, and it's blocked. They block it to like public traffic around the lake.
You see any smoke or anything?
No, so far there's no smoke. It's all nice and clean. I mean, compared to before, it's like it's so good. Before he was smoking like a heavy smoker.
That guy was smart there, man.
It sounds good, it goes good, very good. Yeah, he was just asking me because he had the big bore kit upgrade on his 300 CRF 300 Rally. So he got all the parts from, there's a very famous guy in, I think his name's Ari. He's very big on YouTube. So he developed his own big bore kit for the 300. So he ordered all his parts from him. It cost him a fair bit, but I think like he's going to be really happy with it. Street, turning right onto Barton Street. Three K's to Elwood. So Inkerman Street is on the left, Grey Street's on the right, but we're going straight. Nice little coffee shop on the left, just before Shell. So we're just crossing the Carlisle Street now. So if you turn right, that takes us to the heart of St Kilda. There's like heaps more shops on that side. I've been here a few times, all St Kilda. Oh, what's that? Royal Enfield. Nice. There's a few nice pizza shops around here. On the right. It's not too busy tonight at the moment, it's still pretty early. Also, one safety thing that I want to mention is the keeping your distance for motorcycle riders. So you might think that the gentleman in front of me, whose name is Kian, in front of me, he's quite far ahead. But with these motorbikes, they do take a little bit of time to come to stop, slow down. And that's like using the front brake and rear brake, even at traveling at 60 kilometers. So just make sure that you keep your distance, enough distance for braking. In case if they need, if the rider in front of you needs to do an emergency brake, then you should be able to stop at a good good distance, good timing. If you don't allow that space, you'll most likely smash into them. So I've got front and rear ABS, so I can just lock it up and it will still stop. But some of the older bikes, they never had ABS. Jumping on Beach Road now. Marine Parade right, and we will be going left. Okay, so he wants to go right. Oh, so he wants to go right and then do another loop. Yeah, so sometimes if I want to rest my feet, my arms, my hands, I'll put it on neutral. And that way, I have my hands free, and I still have my right feet on the rear brake. So that way, Like if you stop on a downhill or uphill, so the bike won't move forward or backwards. So it's always good to have the rear brake on. Yeah, sometimes you need to stretch a little bit after riding for half an hour, 1 hour. Just stretch your arms, your legs. Smell the ocean. That ocean breeze. Stop recording.